Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to check and change hotspot password, how to update hotspot password in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to update your mobile hotspot password, you want to change password, so how to change one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, scroll it and friends click here hotspot setting, Wi-Fi hotspot setting, and friends click here hotspot setting, click here password, and friends you can check your password. You want to copy your mobile hotspot password, you can copy, you can cut. So friends, we will remove, and friends we will enter new password. And guys, your password should 8 digit 8 letter, because friends if you use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digit any letter, so you cannot change hotspot password. So friends, I will use 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 A B C and D. Okay, and friends click here save hotspot setting, and friends now you can check password change. We have changed hotspot password. And friends, you want to change hotspot password with shortcut setting, so open your phone setting, search bar, and then search your hotspot password, Wi-Fi hotspot password. Friends, click here direct. Friends, you can change your hotspot password from here. Cut your password and friends enter new password 0011223344 and password change. And friends, you can check we have new password. So like that friends, we can update mobile hotspot password, Wi-Fi hotspot password in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to change hotspot password. Bye friends.